Let us see few console object methods that are related to time and timestamps in JavaScript code. The code requires a specific time in executing. We can set a timer in the JavaScript code that will display the time taken for execution. But this time is not your set interval, not the timer in the actual code, but this timer is related to the console. This is also a timer only, but all the methods which we are going to see are related to the console object. The console.time method sets a timer and takes a specific name or a label for that timer as a parameter. The syntax is like this, where you have the console.time and inside that, let's say we give a label timer1. This is the timer start. I will define two variables x and y with their values, and let's console log x into y, and then end the time using the console.timeEnd, and again provide a label of the timer that I want to end as its parameter. This statement will end the specified timer. Let me save this, and as you can see, it displays the time taken for executing this piece of code. This technique can be used when you want to check the response time of your code and manage it. Another method related to timer is console.timeLog. That provides the current value of the timer set by using the console.time method. Let me use the .timeLog method here somewhere before it performs multiplication. Now here I give the timer name and let me run the code. So it displays the time of the timer when it reaches the line with this statement. Let me run it twice and the time varies. Let us see relative questions for this topic. The first question is, what does the console.time method do? So the console.time method sets timer in JavaScript which returns the time taken by the code to execute. As we saw in this example, here the timer 1 is started and it stops when this console.timeEnd statement is encountered. The second question is how to check the current execution time. So the console.timeLog method is used to check the current time, that is time at a particular point where the statement is found, like we did here, and it will vary every time we run.